If you want to use templates in CapCut for free, this video is going to walk you through the entire process step by step so you can find a free template, replace the placeholder clips with your own media, and export your finished video without paying for a pro feature. This is a great way to create polished edits faster, even if you are brand new to CapCut. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the CapCut desktop application on your PC. When the app loads, you'll land on the main startup dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Templates tab. This is where CapCut keeps its template library, and it's the main place you'll use when you want to start with a ready-made edit instead of building everything from scratch. Once you click Templates, you'll see a library full of different styles, formats, and categories. At this point, you can either browse through the available categories or use the search bar at the top if you already have a specific style in mind. For example, you might search for travel, photo montage, trending, birthday, fashion, or any other type of content you want to create. This is one of the easiest ways to save time because CapCut does a lot of the design work for you. Now, before you choose a template, take a moment to hover your mouse over the template tile. This lets you preview useful details like the audio style, the aspect ratio, and how many clips are required. These little details matter because they help you pick a template that actually fits your project. You also want to watch out for templates marked with a pro badge or a gem icon. If your goal is to keep everything completely free, avoid those templates and choose one that does not require a paid upgrade. Once you find a template you like and confirm that it's free, click Use Template. CapCut will download that template directly into your editor timeline. After that, the template opens inside the project, and now you're ready to swap in your own footage or images. This is the part where the template starts becoming your own custom video. Next, look at the timeline interface. You should see a row of placeholder boxes. These boxes represent the clips or photos that the template needs in order to work properly. Each placeholder is basically a slot waiting for your media. If you don't fill these slots, the template won't look complete, so this step is very important. To add your own content, go to the media panel and click Import. Then select the videos or photos you want to use from your computer. Once your media is imported, click on a placeholder box in the timeline. Then drag your video or photo from the import bin and drop it directly onto the placeholder you want to replace. CapCut will automatically swap the sample content with your own media. Repeat that process for each placeholder box until all of the required slots are filled. If the template needs 5 clips, make sure you add 5 clips. If it needs photos, use photos. If the template is structured for short snippets, try to match the pacing so the final result looks clean and natural. Taking a few extra seconds here makes a big difference in the final video quality. If the template has any extra settings, you'll usually see them in the right side menu. This is where you may be able to adjust things like timing, effects, text, or other template-specific options. Take a quick look through those settings and make any changes you want before exporting. This is your chance to personalize the template so it better fits your style or brand. Once everything looks good, play back the video to make sure the media is lined up properly and the edit flows the way you want. If something feels off, go back and adjust the placeholder clips or settings until it looks right. When you're happy with the result, click the export button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From there, choose your export settings and finish saving the video to your device. And that's how you use a CapCut template for free. You just opened the template library, found a free template, replaced the placeholder media with your own clips, and exported your finished edit. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creating more content in less time. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.